Gandhi Talks is an excellent movie. It is a movie which doesn't have any conversation. Everything is written on a piece of paper. It is a mute movie. It is mostly action that speaks, and it's excellent direction. It's Vijay Sethupathi, whose mother was almost handicapped. She was not able to even walk. And he, being a caring son, he even used to take her to the bathroom. And since destitution was the case, he thought of smuggling a rich person, and he was successful. But since he was a good human being, he later on unearthed the secret of his theft. And that person, who was quite influential, he had lost his wife and girl child in an air crash, because of which he was very despondent, and he had lots and lots of wealth. He was filthy rich and big mansion, and that too at Worli, sea face. But still he wanted to just finish it off with everything, and he just wanted to retire. He was no more interested in wealth. He practically wanted to give up his life. But somehow this fellow came as a savior. He could judge what was going on with this person's mind. And what he did, he put wine bottles, all the wine bottles, all the liquor bottles, he used to pierce it with an piercing instrument, and he used to put a candle, and he lit all the candle, and he spread alcohol all over, and he lit fire. The entire mansion caught fire. And this fellow Vijay, he actually wanted some money, and he took the money for survival, because mother had to be fed, and there came a time when he was not able to even feed his mom. Poverty had struck, and then he had written on the wall, with my first salary I will purchase all the medical items for my mom, and with my second item I will see to it that groceries are there. This was the level of his poverty. And he got some money, and that influential man also, he could understand his pain, and he didn't get angry. He didn't actually report to the police. And his mom also, over time, with so much care, she also kind of recovered. And there was a neighbor, Aditi Rao Hardre, who was in love with Vijay Sethupathi, and the feeling was reciprocated. But his mom, Zarina Bao, had actually settled for a different guy. But later on, she came to know about their love affair, and even she didn't have objection. And Aditi was just the opposite house neighbor, and Vijay used to stay in Shawl, and both of them used to communicate through actions, because there is no dialogue in this movie. Everything is written. And the best part, or maybe hilarious part of the movie, is that when Vijay went for an interview, the interviewer, he could judge the person by offering a cup of tea. He was offered a cup of tea, and he refused. And later on, he insisted, the interviewer. Then he took it, and he had it. But he had to say it actually twice. So he was not very happy. And the second person came, he was offered the cup of tea, and what he did, he put it on the saucer for himself, and he passed the cup of tea to him, so that he can also enjoy, and he was hired instantly. So the movie is a great movie. I would like to watch these kind of movies again and again. 5 stars.